Myself, Dr. S.K. Dikshit, welcome you all in physics lab. Today we are going to discuss the sextant experiment. The title of the experiment to determine the distance between two vertical lines above the ground using sextant device. Course outcome of the experiment: after performing the above experiment, the students will be able to learn fundamental working principle of the sextant, basic concept of angle of elevation and use of instrument. Fundamental working principle of the sextant is keeping the angle of incidence constant. If we are rotating the mirror by an angle theta, then reflected ray is turned by the angle 2 theta. What is the special feature of the sextant? Without touching the lines or object, by measuring the angle of elevations, we can find out the vertical height. The formula used by the apparatus: the capital H is equal to small h. Capital H is the distance between the target line and the ground. This is the capital H. Small h is the height from ground to reference line. Ground to reference line. This is the small h. X is a distance between 2 points on the ground. There is a C point and D point. Angle of elevations from D point is theta 1. This is the target point, this is the reference point, and angle made by the target point to the reference point is theta 1 from the D and theta 2 from the C, basically. The theta 1 and theta 2 angle of elevations from C and D. And the very important thing we are going to discuss here, that angular distance is always measured in degrees, minute and seconds. Very important relation, all must know that 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes and 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. The least count of there are 3 scales in the sextant: man scale, circular scale and vernier scale. And the least count of the man scale is 1 degree, circular scale is 1 minute and vernier scale is 12 seconds respectively. What is the formula of the least count? Minimum reading on the man scale upon total number of divisions on the vernier scale. This is our reference line and this is our target line. We have to find out the distance from target line to reference line. This is approximately 25 centimeter. How we are setting the taking observations in the sextant? The first one is the angle of elevation determination when zeroth error reading is subtracted from the angular elevation reading. How the zeroth error reading is taken? When the virtual image of the reference line is coincided with the real image of the reference line in the optical instrument, then zeroth error reading will be taken. When the target line virtual image is coincided with the real reference line image, then the reading will be angular elevation reading. And when the angular elevation reading is subtracted from the zeroth error reading, it gives rise the angle of elevation, and which will put in the formula, and we will get the vertical distance from reference line to target line. We are discussing the part of the sextant experiment. This is the half horizon plate. Half plate is silvered and the rest of the half is non-silvered. Basically, this is the index mirror, this is telescope, this is the filter to reducing the intensity of light. Basically, there are 3 scales. This is the man scale, where minimum reading which can be taken by the man scale is 1 degree, and 1 degree is again divided into the 60 divisions. In the circular scale, the minimum reading which will be taken by the circular scale is 1 minute, and 1 minute in again divided into the 5 divisions. In the 1 year scale, the minimum reading is taken by the 1 year scale is 12 seconds basically, and this is the stand on which the sextant experiment is mounted here, and we are taking the reading from the 3 meter, and for the zeroth error reading I am going to coincide the reference line of the real image of the reference line and virtual image of the reference line. I am going to coincide, and the reading comes around the zeroth error is from 3 meter 90 degree 12 minute and 48 second, and when they are converting into the degrees it comes around 19.213 degree, and for angular elevation reading, when we are coinciding this, the virtual image of the target line with the real image of the reference line, when they are coinciding, and we are taking the readings in the main scale, circular scale, and the 1 year scale, it comes around the 23 degree and 25 minute and 36 second. When they are all converting into the degrees, it comes around 23.42 degree, and for angle of elevation, we are subtracting the angular elevation reading B from the zeroth error reading 19.213. It comes around 4.207 degree. This is the angular elevation from the 3 meter point, and similarly we have taken the reading from the 4 meter, and zeroth error reading comes around 19.613 degree, and angular elevation reading 22.57 degree. When they are subtracting from 22.57 to 19.613, it comes around the 2.957 degree. This is the angle of elevation from 4 meter. Now we are putting the angle of elevations and x value in the formula. We get the h1.24 meter. This is the distance from reference line to target line, and this is the achieved outcome, and the expected outcome, which is the standard value, it is 0.25 meter. Then so this is the special feature of the sextant. Basically we have already discussed. Without touching the road lines, we can measure the height by measuring the angle of elevations. We can find out the angular diameter of the sun, angular diameter of the moon also. Generally this experiment is used by the civil engineers for the height measurements. Thank you. Have a nice day.